Welcome back again. Welcome to my Cookmas. I guess that's what you call it. But I'm back again and I'm rolling. All right, my creative ideas are starting to pop up again. I'm ready to get it going. But I hope you're having an amazing day. I hope you guys are just being safe, relaxing, not stressing out. The way I look at it, things could always be worse than what they are. So just be thankful for the good days and be thankful for the bad days, because that will make you appreciate the good days. But you guys, I'm always having to swallow. I know that's kind of rude, but you know. Anyway, I want to thank all of my new subscribers and my ride and die. You guys rock! I know y'all like, why is she always getting on singing? Joy bells keep ringing in my soul. Joy bells keep ringing in my soul. That's the reason I'm always getting on here singing. But today, you guys, we're going to make bacon orange crepes. Yes, you heard me right. Bacon orange crepes. A lot of people really love crepes because they're light. And you know, they're not like pancakes, real heavy. But the problem with crepes are you have to get down the technique of spreading them thin and, you know, flipping them just right, making sure they're not rubbery. So we're going to do some crepes today. So with that being said, this is Cookmas Day 2. Let's get this train on the track for our bacon orange crepes. Let's get it going. All right, here we have some applewood smoked bacon, and I'm only going to use 4 slices out of this. We have eggs, we have milk, we have orange extract, we have salt, we have butter, and this amazing marmalade that we're going to put on top of the crepes. Oh my Lord. And we have this Smucker's orange marmalade. Oh, this is going to be so great with the crepes. And of course, to make the crepes, we got to have flour and sugar. And the crepes are so easy because what we're going to do, we're going to mix all of this in a food processor, but we want everything to be at room temperature. So what I'm going to do is fry the bacon first. And once the bacon gets through frying, then everything should be at room temperature. We're going to measure it out, put it in the food processor, and mix it. But with this here batter, we're going to have to put it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour, and then we can start making our crepes. Make sure also you have a non-stick 8-inch pan for your crepes. All right, let me get the bacon started. Okay, all of the ingredients that I had showed you for the crepes, we're just gonna put it in this food processor, and we're just gonna let it run for about 30 seconds, and that's it. But we need to put it in a container with a top on it, and it needs to sit in the refrigerator for a minimum of 1 hour or you can store it overnight. But in here, you see the bacon, the eggs, the flour, the sugar, the milk, and I did forget to mention a half a cup of room temperature water, and we're just going to mix it up and put it in the refrigerator. Also, get your 8-inch skillet out. So when this sits for about an hour, we'll come back, then we'll start the crepes. Okay, here is the crepe batter, and it is supposed to be thin. And I have it in this container that has a top to it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. It goes. See you guys in about an hour. All right, Royal Family. The batter has been in the refrigerator for 1 hour, and I want you to see this. Yes, this is how thin it should be for a crepe. Can you see that? And you see the bacon in it? All right, this is what we're going to do. We're going to use an 8-inch non-stick skillet, and we're going to use, okay, this is non-stick. Please try to use a non-stick skillet for it to work for your crepes. Okay, we're going to put it on, I'm going to say a medium high. We're going to take a 1/2 cup scoop, and we're going to scoop it. And what we're going to do, we're going to put it in the center, and then we're going to start twirling it. And you have to twirl it really fast. Okay, you see that? Go all the way around. Okay, get it twirled. So you're just going to twirl your skillet and try to make it pretty even. There you go. Now it is starting to cook. You see that? And it's going to cook, I'm going to say, maybe a minute, if that long. But I'll come back and show you when it's time for me to turn it. Okay, I'll turn it just that fast. Second side, maybe 30 seconds. You see it moving? And I can actually see moving in the pan. Okay, now it's time to take it out. So we're just going to slide it out and put it on a plate. And I'm going to do 2 more, then I'll come back. Okay, this one is a little lighter than the other one. You see how I can turn it? That's what you should be able to do. Now we'll take it out. So when I come back, I'm going to show you the finished presentation of the bacon orange crepes. Also, with the orange marmalade, I'm going to heat it up in the microwave, then spread it over the crepes. All right, Royal Family, here is the finished presentation of the bacon orange crepes. And the technique, I would say, is to make sure once you put your batter in the pan, that you move it into a circular motion and cook it for, once it starts to move in the pan, flip it over. It takes no time to cook at all. So what I did, I used a 1/2 cup, a measuring cup, and after it came out, I just folded it in half and then folded it over twice. And I thought it, gave a better presentation. But I want you guys to see this. And the batter, oh my God, is so delicious. Can you see that? That is how a crepe should look. You see, it's very thin. You see that? All right, I'm going in. Hold on. You know, because of this, it's not a challenge. I just made up in my mind that I wanted to do it. I have really been nailing these recipes. These crepes are freaking amazing. I'm not gonna eat, it's 4. I will eat about 1, I think, tonight. And then finish the rest for breakfast. And then marmalade. Hold on. Let's go one more time. See that bacon? Winner, winner. Bacon orange. Marmalade. Crepe winner. All right. I will see you guys again tomorrow. Stay safe. Stay blessed. And I'll see you tomorrow.